February 5th, 1953, London. A 10-year-old girl named Mary stands outside a sweet shop, her breath fogging the cold morning air. Her hands are shaking. For her entire life, sugar has been rationed, one small piece per week. But today, that changes forever. She unwraps a toffee, places it on her tongue, and gasps. One tiny piece of toffee. And Mary's whole face changed. Her eyes went wide. A smile she could not control spread across her cheeks. But why? Why does something so small make us feel so deeply, wildly, overwhelmingly good? The answer is hiding inside your brain right now. Your brain is a universe. 100 billion tiny cells called neurons, all firing electrical messages to each other millions of times every second. And the moment that toffee touched Mary's tongue, it sent a signal crashing through that universe like a lightning bolt through a dark sky. Mary's taste buds, thousands of tiny sensors packed onto her tongue, detected something extraordinary. Sweet molecules, and they screamed to the brain, "Sugar is here." Signals rocketed up through her body and into a tiny pea-sized spot buried deep inside her brain. A spot with a very big job. That pea-sized spot is called the nucleus accumbens, your brain's reward center. And it is ancient. It is the same part of your brain that fires when you hug someone you love, when you score a goal, when something wonderful and unexpected happens. Right now, for Mary, it was exploding. Here is why that center lights up. It floods the brain with a chemical called dopamine. Imagine tiny golden keys suddenly unlocking every happiness door in your mind, all at once. That warm, glowing rush you feel, that is dopamine. And sugar triggers more of it than almost anything else on Earth. But why is the brain wired to love sugar so intensely? Go back 50,000 years. No supermarkets, no farms. Just a human wandering through a dark forest, starving. Sweet fruit meant one thing, energy. And energy meant survival. So the brain built a rule: find sweet things, eat them, and live. And here is the wild part. Sugar is not just a treat. It is literally your brain's favorite fuel. Your brain uses up to 20% of all the energy your entire body makes. And it runs almost entirely on glucose. That is sugar. When sugar arrives, your brain is not just happy. It is being fed. Now here is the twist that changes everything. That apple in your lunchbox. It is sweet because the tree wants you to eat it. Plants evolved sweetness 130 million years ago on purpose as a trick. Eat the fruit. Spread the seeds. You are not choosing the sugar. The sugar chose you. Back in 1953, Mary unwrapped a second toffee, then a third, and she laughed, a real, unstoppable laugh. She did not know about dopamine or ancient fruit trees or survival wiring. She just knew it felt wonderful. And now so do you. See you in the next wonder.